Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring a new subscription box to my channel. That is this right here. It is Mindful Souls. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this box just arrived and Mindful Souls did send me this for review. So thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, I'm not sure if this is going to be November's box. Hopefully something inside will let us know. But since this is the first time me bringing this on my channel, I like to tell you all about the company first, and then we'll get into the unboxing. So they did generate my own code. My code is MS and then the little line underneath, SheCrafty. That's super cute. Miss SheCrafty. No one's ever done that before. I thought that was the cutest thing when I saw that. That'll actually get you 20% off. So the Mindful subscription box is $39.97 per month. You always get free shipping to the US. There's secure online ordering, cancel at any time, and there's 30-day returns. You, and only you, have the power to create the reality of your deepest desires. Become the master of effortless manifestation and dive into the wondrous games with the universe. When you quiet your mind and focus on self-love, a well-balanced life with harmonious and wealthy paths open up for you. Unwind yourself. Make the practices of self-care a daily habit and discover the infinite glory of pure happiness. Introducing the Mindful Box, a monthly subscription service delivered right to your doorstep each month to assist in creating self-love rituals while surrounding you with relaxing and uplifting energy. Every box will delight you with 6 to 8 carefully hand-picked items ranging from calming crystals, aromatherapy items, gemstone jewelry to home decor, wellness goodies, and natural cosmetics. A rejuvenating and refreshing gift designed to balance your mind and brighten your aura. They also have an online shop and a book club subscription as well. Again, I will link them all down below, and I'm super excited to dive in to get into this box. So here's what the outside of the box looks like. It has Mindful Souls, share with love, and then the sticker even says, open up to the world of inner peace and self-love. Super cute. I love what it represents. I love what I'm hearing so far. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what's inside. When you first open it up, there's a card right on top, and I love their logo. I love like that teal mint color. That's super pretty. Oh, and on the back goes over all of the items. Does it give you pricing? I do not see any pricing, but that's fine. Some companies put the pricing, some don't. And then down inside, that's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and just start diving in. Ooh. The very first thing right on top, you see that lovely word right there, rich lavender. I will show you what it looks like, but I'm definitely not going to burn this. I will pass this down for one of you guys. It says Lavender Travel Tin Candle. And I like the box. The packaging is super cute, but I don't do lavender. So, oh, this looks like one of those little boxes that I have with a magnet on the back. Look at it. Doesn't that look just like it? So that's what it looks like down inside. I'm not going to open it because I do not even want the smell of lavender to come into this room that I'm in currently. But it is a purple candle, and that's what it looks like. And it says Lavender Travel Tin Candle. Aromatherapy candles are perfect for relaxing rituals and unwinding your soul and reset your busy mind. The sweet, soothing fragrance of lavender is a natural way to reduce stress, anxiety, and improve your well-being. Save the hour for yourself. Clear your mind and raise your vibrations. Rituals after ritual. So there's a candle. There's item number 1, but again, that will go for one of you guys because I don't want to get a migraine. There's these on top. This looks like a sticker. Super pretty. I love collecting stickers, so that's cool. And then this right here says Mindful Souls, and it says Affirmation for Compassion. Compassion is a force of nature that transforms everyone it touches. That's awesome. So you do have an affirmation card for that. And then let's see here. Ooh, these bags are super cute. Look, it has their little logo on it. And let's see what's down inside. Oh, that is neat. I've never had anything that's shaped like that before, and I don't even know what in the world is inside of there. It looks, I don't know. Maybe there are little crystals inside. This right here says Yellow Adventuring Merkaba Star. This adorable little item brings several powerful aspects into one. I'm probably saying it wrong, but Merkaba Star is a sacred symbol that brightens the path of spirit and body to reach the higher realms. The material of argon, it's best known for harmonizing and balancing properties. The yellow adventuring, also known as solar plexus stone, brings creativity, positive vibrations, and can assist in necessary life transformations. So again, that's very neat. I like the shape to it with that star. I've never heard of that before, but that is definitely different. So there's that guy. Now you have another same little bag. So down in here, you have a bracelet. This says Silk Agate Bracelet. The healing properties of agate are unbelievably powerful. This magical stone is capable of transforming all that's negativity into bright and positive. Wear this bracelet daily or whenever you feel its guidance is needed. Make all the anger, tension, doubt, and concerns fade away and invite calmness, clarity, and wellness into your path. That is really neat. And I like the different colors of these stones, how they have like just different variations of color to them. So that's really neat. And there we go. So there's that guy. You have another little bag. And that's what's down inside. This says metallic calcite crystal. This stone brings one's emotions and intellect into union. It's an excellent tool to evoke deeper awareness, allowing you to see things from a different perspective and leading you with success during change and challenges. Have this adorable stone in your pocket, near your bed, or in your favorite place at home, and take in all the magical properties this adorable crystal has to offer. It's really pretty. I like that grayish color. It's like a grayish blue almost. It's a really pretty color. Okay, so now it says aloe vera soap, like a soap bar. Aloe vera is known as a higher power plant and can clear the space and bring light, positive energy. This extra gentle soap, enriched with aloe's nourishing juice, will soothe, hydrate, and moisturize your skin. Use it daily and overwhelm yourself with the endless benefits of aloe's healing, cleansing, and protecting powers. It smells like a nice clean scent to it. It's like a strong, nice clean scent to it. And there's a good size bar right there. It says 100 grams and it does smell pretty darn good. And it looks like there's one item left in here and it says Masala Nag Mantra, Richness of Nature. This right here says Mantra Incense. Strong, authentic scents are powerful stimulators during meditative state. Light this handmade incense and take in its delightful fragrance. Calm your mind, allow these scents to intrigue your inner state and imaginative side. Feel the underlying trust that something light and graceful is guiding your way, and little by little, a different side of you will come through. They smell really nice. I'm so glad that I don't smell lavender. That's what they look like down inside. There's quite a few down in here. You can see all down inside there. I've already made a mess on my desk trying to get some of them out, so I don't want to take them all the way out. But they do smell really good. So a quick recap that came inside of this box. You have some incense. You have a crystal. You have this really neat shaped thing that I've never seen before. You have a bracelet. There's a soap bar. And then you have a lavender scented candle, a sticker, and an affirmation card. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items that were inside? What do you think of this company so far? Do you think it was a good value? I kind of just wish there was maybe like one item that was a higher price point to kind of justify, but it is still free shipping. And yeah, you get some crystals, you get some other items too. So let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.